Lot number 108 is a 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one appears to have a bad fuel pump. It's also missing the serpentine belt and it's missing the radiator cap. So I just poured a little bit of fuel into the intake and I'm going to start it up. This vehicle hasn't been started in probably over a year. The fuel pump is not working and we're gonna see if it starts now. All right. All right, there it is. 4.6 liters sounds good. Let's check the transmission. All right, automatic transmission engaged. All right, I guess it burned through the fuel I put in there. Engine sounds good. Automatic transmission engages. And I'm unable to test the AC or anything. Yep, it spilled the gas out. I'm unable to check the AC because it's missing the serpentine belt. The engine sounds good. It's got 117,000 original miles. This was a full police unit. All emergency equipment has been removed. I see the windshield is cracked. The doors and roof appear to have been painted by roller with a thick coat of black paint. The paint looks rough. The body is straight. All four tires are dry rotted. The trunk lid has a hole, a drilled hole from the antenna that was removed. Body looks straight. Rear bumper's cracked. Driver's side looks straight. There's a hole in the roof from the light bar that was removed. The paint is rough. It's peeling, it's faded, it shows surface rust, and it's been painted over. Even the windshield got paint. Driver's side mirror is broken, hanging. Headlights are dull. Front bumper appears to be in good shape. You can see how badly the tires are dry rotted. This one is flat and very cracked. I'll show you the interior. Rear seat is black vinyl. Appears to be in good shape. Rear door panels look good. Driver door panel is missing the window controls. Appears to be loose and dismantled. Steering wheel shows wear. Driver's seat is torn. Metal center console is included. Passenger seat looks good, just dirty. The dashboard is not cracked. I'll show you the miles and the hours. 117,333 miles, 6,627 engine hours. And the windshield is cracked. This one is rough shape. This may be a good parts car. It's got a 4.6 liter V8 with 117,000 miles. The transmission engages, but I was not able to drive this one. So it's being sold as is. It needs to be picked up on a tow truck. It's lot number 108. The engine, transmission, and exhaust system all appear to be in place. It's missing the cap, it's missing the serpentine belt, and the fuel pump is bad. It's lot 108. Good luck.